Installing the adapter for a Porsche Panamera. Step 1. Remove the covers. Tools needed: flat nose pliers. Use the included trim tool to carefully pry along the edges of the large cover. Let's refer to the method of unfastening the fastener. Locate the fastener with the red ribbon. Use pliers to pull out the fastener. Then remove the large cover. Find the fastener shown in the diagram, the fastener on the small cover. Use pliers to pull out the fastener. Then remove the small cover. Step 2. Connect the Y cable. There are 2 closed connectors. Gently press down the outer connector. Locate the vehicle's original 3-pin connector. Then lift the 3-pin connector upward to disconnect it. Take the Y cable from the package. Connect the vehicle's original 3-pin connector to the 3-pin port on the Y cable. Plug the Y cable's 3-pin connector into the vehicle's original port. Take the adapter from the package. Attach the Y cable's 8-pin circular connector to the adapter's port. Step 3. Connect the adapter to the dash cam. Neatly tuck all cables into place. Reinstallation of the large and small covers. Use the included DC 3.5mm cable 12V to connect the adapter to your dash cam. Finally, your adapter and dash cam are now ready to use.